very important technique, and of course, a close range technique. You wouldn't want to throw this, trying to throw this from the outside, you're just going to leave yourself open. Generally, it'll be after some sort of technique like a cross. So I actually want to drop a little bit, moving this shoulder back, but I'm extending out and bringing right back. And as I'm extending out, I can raise up on the ball of my lead foot, turning. But I'm lowering, make sure you keep good posture, and I can go right from here. I don't need to turn to my left. I can turn to my left, but I don't need to. And go right here. And when I uppercut, there is this uppercut. I don't do this much because this can be really rough on your fist in a street scenario. I like to use my whole fist, and I like to come in at this angle right here. So I'm still coming up, hitting with my whole fist. Again, lowering, coming up on the ball of my foot, turning, and immediately right back. So, targets with this. This is one of my favorite techniques to go to the body. I'm lowering right into the liver. The lead uppercut to the liver when you're standing right-handed is devastating. Here we are. Again, always good head movement, always movement. Think about that when you're shadow boxing. And this could be great after a cross. Loaded. Again, you'll get that extra power by turning and raising up on the ball of the lead foot. Work on this a lot. This is a very important technique to add to your arsenal.